Guess what? I have another project from Product Junkie Naturals. So if you want to see what I can get done with this, stay tuned. Welcome back, Roses. This is Olena from OlenaRosanne. Please go ahead and like this video, comment, share, and subscribe. Please and thank you. Now, let's go ahead and get into this. So we are back and we're going to be using the Honey and Hibiscus Curl Gele or Gel from Product Junkie Naturals. Now, I'm taking a look at it. The ingredients I love, as always, and this is part of the Honey and Hibiscus line. So, as you can see, this is thick but comes out and it's definitely a gel. Look at this. I mean, this is the actual color and consistency. Yes, I am so excited to see what this does to my hair. So, oh yeah. You see that? Smoothing onto my hand. I am hoping it will smooth onto my hair, and the smell, y'all, it smells so good. You can smell the hibiscus. It smells good and fruity. And if you like fruit, but not a strong scent of fruit, you'll enjoy the scent of this curl gel. So my hair is freshly washed. I haven't put a thing on it. Thinking I'm probably going to need to put a little bit more water on this. So here we go. Spraying on some water because the directions just does say apply amount needed to wet or damp hair before twisting. For wash and go styles, apply to wet hair, shingle or rake to define curls, style as desired. So I don't really do the whole shingling thing. It depends on your hair itself, how you normally do your wash and goes. I normally just rake it through and keep it moving. So this is what I'm going to do. Now, depending on your method for your wash and goes, if you're using this for a wash and go, shingling, raking, or whatever you choose to do, it will slightly differ your curl definition. So, and of course there's other factors, but as you can see, I'm already beginning to rake because that's what I do here on this channel. So as you can see, as I'm rubbing this through my hair, it's starting to define my curls. I can see the waves and curls popping off. And as I put some more on, I'm wondering how much of this will I need to use. Now, normally I don't use a lot of product compared to a lot of other naturals, but I don't know. Since I've never used this product before, I'm wondering, you know, am I doing too much or not? But as I can see right now, it's looking pretty good so far to me. And watch this. Oh, it's looking real good to me, real good. If it's looking real good to you, make sure you like this video. And if you come back to my channel again and you still haven't subscribed yet, look at this hair. I think you would want to subscribe, right? Okay, thank you. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys continue on watching, cut on some music, and I will see you at the end for the results. But wait a minute, I had to come back real quick because I mean, look. I wish y'all could see this in person while I was doing it, but the shine it was giving my hair and the way it was soaking into my strands was very impressive. I mean, I thought it was going to like super sit on my hair on top of my strands, and that's not cute to me because then I worry about it flaking later. But I mean, clearly that's not happening, at least so far. So anyway, let me know. As you can see, I'm raking this through my strands. This is what I normally do with my wash and goes. Let me know if you wear wash and goes, what you normally do. Do you rake? Do you use a diffuser later? Do you use any type of brushes like I just did? Let me know in the comments, okay? And I'll be back. What shrinkage will do for you, okay? But shrinkage means your hair is healthy, especially this amount of shrinkage. But let's get into these curls, y'all. My curls are super duper shiny. That is the one thing I noticed the most, along with moisturize. And of course it's defined. Now I will say I use way too much of this product than I really needed for my hair, and I know I should have did this on soaking wet hair, but there was no flaking. Roses, the method you apply a product to your hair actually matters. My hair softened up quite a bit though, second day. And make sure you subscribe, okay? I want to see you come back to this channel. Other than that, I will talk to you later, Roses. Bye.